Hello everybody, we are in Peter Pie number 3 and here is Simon. Please tell something about yourself, introduce yourself.
Yeah, sure. Hello everybody. So my name is Simone Soldateschi. I currently work at Microsoft in Dublin. I've been working as automation engineer for the last 6 years, in London for 3 years, a couple of years in Sydney, Australia, and now in Dublin, as I just mentioned. I'm really passionate about automating things.
Super. And what was your talk today?
So my talk today was about immutable systems in the AWS cloud. So it was based off projects I delivered in my previous company when I used to work at Trackspace Australia. And yeah, I leveraged that approach to get things done in a very reliable way for customers. Yeah.
Nice. And what are you working on now in the Microsoft?
Yeah, so nowadays I work as an automation engineer, meaning that I write runbooks for Linux-based applications in the Azure cloud.
Yeah, okay. And I see that you have a lot of traveling movements. So you see the world development world from the different points, and today we're asking everybody about the local communities. So what you can say, what you can saw in your location, you've been in London, maybe in Sydney. How is it going over there with the local communities for the Python?
Yeah, when it comes to discussing about local communities, obviously we talk about meetup.com and
meetup.com, something like this,
yeah,
everything
like that. So there are active and hectic communities in London. In London you can really find everything according to your needs. I used to run the chef meetup in Sydney, which was really awesome. It allowed me to get in touch with so many knowledgeable engineers, automation engineers and DevOps community in Sydney. Australia is very active. They are really keen on using containers, microservices, configuration management, Python-based applications, etc. So it's really awesome.
And how these communities, for example, in Sydney, how big they are? How many people going to the meetups? Are the local companies helping them with the hosts, with giving them the whole room for translation and something like this?
Yeah, so there are many different kind of meetup groups in Sydney. So it can be a small one, say just 60 people, or up to hundreds of people for the most important, like containers, DevOps, Scrum, etc. Most of those groups are supported by and sponsored by companies like I'm very pleased to mention Rackspace, Microsoft, AWS, Amazon, Opscode, Ansible, and so forth and so on. Yeah, they are really,
That's nice.
really nice.
And did you find something already in Dublin?
Yeah, I did. So there is obviously the Microsoft, Amazon, and all the other that I already mentioned. I'm still exploring. I'm new to Dublin, so yeah, really keen on.
Okay, very nice. And what channels? There is offline meetings. That's okay, but we are developers and we are living in the virtual network. What channels mostly used? For communication in the communities that you saw?
Yeah, so most of it nowadays everybody loves Slack. Slack yeah, is it's not a buzzword anymore, but it's really awesome. So it allows you to integrate all the things. So Slack first, Twitter. I'd say Twitter is really awesome to exchange ideas, to schedule, to discuss, especially new ideas, to make suggestions and reach out to anybody. That's important.
Okay, and the last question, what do you think about the future of local communities in the case that there is the more conferences going around all the world and there is more and more different tools for communication in the internet. So how do you see the future of the local offline meetups and something else?
Yeah, so I'd say that online social media and systems are awesome to spread ideas, but when it comes to, we are developers, we like to have some sort of hands-on approach to things. So local communities are awesome because it allows you to work with teammates, with somebody you might know, to share ideas and to schedule and arrange a hands-on session to work on something which is real. So local communities are awesome to this extent.
Thanks everybody. Bye bye.
Thank you very much. See you.